Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 5 chapter 3 subtraction. We will start question number 2. We have done all question number 1 part in our previous lecture. Today we are going to start question number 2. Tina has 127 coins. Shia has 234 coins. And Irfan has 324 coins. How many coins do they have in total? First of all, we will make a statement. Yes, Tina has coins 127. Sia has coins 234 and Irfan has coins 324. They have total coins. Yes, we will put add 7 on 1's place, 2 on 10's place and 1 on 100's place. Yes, we will revise again. टीना के पास 127 कॉइन है, सिया के पास 234 कॉइन्स हैं एंड इरफान के पास 324 कॉइन्स हैं. अब हाउ मैनी टॉइन डू दे हैव इन टोटल मीन्स all have. So we will do addition. Okay, you have to solve yourself. Second question is, in a school there were 758 students. Out of them 529 students went for the picnic. How many students did not go for the picnic? First of all, we will make a statement. Yes, total number of students in a school. How many? Yes, 758. Okay. Number of students went for the picnic. Number of student went for the picnic. Yes, 529. Now that number of students didn't go for picnic. Number of student didn't go for the picnic. Yes, we will put subtraction. Okay. Yes, we will revise again. In a school, एक स्कूल में there were 758 students. In our school 758 students. Out of them means उनमें से 529 students went for the picnic, चले गए. How many students didn't go for the picnic? कितने स्टूडेंट थे जो नहीं गए पिकनिक? तो we will do subtraction in this question. Okay. Question number 4 is, Rita bought 442 pink envelopes. for her birthday party. She bought 20 more green envelopes than pink envelopes for school function. I have given that how many total green envelope did she buy? Okay. Yes. Answer. First of all, we will make a statement. Yes, Rita bought pink envelope. How many? 442. Rita bought 442 pink envelopes for her birthday party. उसने 442 एनवलप पिंक एनवलप बॉट के खरीदे अपनी पार्टी पर, बर्थडे पार्टी पर. शी बॉट मोर 20, उसने 20 मोर यानी ज़्यादा ग्रीन एनवलप खरीदे देन पिंक एनवलप से, इनसे 20 ज़्यादा फॉर हर फंक्शन. Question: how many total green envelope did she buy? Like this, we will make a statement. Rita bought pink envelope 442. She bought more green envelopes than pink envelopes 20. She bought green envelope. We will do addition. You have to do by yourself. Question number 4. Okay. Yes, this is your A part and this is your B part from question number 4. B part. How many envelope did she buy in all? Yes. Answer. We will make a statement. Number of pink envelope. Yes. Pink envelope 442. Ones, tens and hundreds. Yes. Number of green envelope. 462. Total number of envelope. Yes. We will read B part. How many envelope did she buy in all? उसने कितने टोटल एनवेलप बाय किए, खरीदे? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट नंबर ऑफ पिंक एनवेलप डिजिट, सेकंड वी हैव टू राइट नंबर ऑफ ग्रीन एनवेलप डिजिट, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल ऑल मीन्स एडिशन. अब you are to do solve by yourself. Yes. Next one is question number 5. Question number 5. Yes. Question number 5. A baker sold 650 cookies. He also sold 477 cup cake. how many more cookies than cupcake did the baker sell? Answer. Yes. We will revise again. A baker ने sold किया 650 cookies. He also sold, और उसने इतने cookies यानी कप केक सोल्ड कर दिए. How many more cookies than cupcakes did the baker sell? Yes. First of all, we will make a statement. A baker sold cookies 650. He also sold. Yes. He also sold cupcake 477. How many more cookies than cupcake? How many more cookies than cupcake did the baker sell? Now, the baker sold more cookies than cupcake. Cupcake. Yes. यस स्टूडेंट. अब बेकर ने सोल्ड किया 650 कुकीज़. उसने 650 कुकीज़ सोल्ड कर दिया. अब उसने इतने जो हैं 477 कप केक भी सोल्ड किए. तो हाउ मैनी मोर कुकीज़, उसने कितनी मोर कुकीज़ सेल की देन कप केक डिड द बेकर ने. वी विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, we will do subtraction in this question. Yes, we will take turn of question 6. Next one is Rahul had rupees 235 and Raj had rupees 123 less than Rahul. Yes, A part. Who had more money? First question. Answer. And then B. How much? B. How much money did Raj have? Okay, answer. Yes. राहुल के पास थे इतने रुपीस एंड राज हैव इतने रुपीस लेस देन राहुल. राहुल से लेस मीन्स कम राज के पास. अब क्वेश्चन से टू यू, हु हैड मोर मनी? टेल मी स्टूडेंट, हु हैड मोर मनी? राहुल हैड मोर मनी. RAHUL. राहुल हैड मोर मनी. ओके. Next one is how much money did Raj have? Tell me student, how much money did Raj have? Yes, Raj have. Yes, Raj had. How much money Raj had? Listen, we can do that type. Yes, Rahul had rupees 235 and Raj had less than Rahul. Rahul, how many less than? 123. Okay, then. So next, Raj had rupees. Raj had money. Yes, we will subtract. Yes, ones, tens and hundred, 1 and 112. Raj had money 112. Thank you student. You are to do that all word problem in your notebook. Writing should be neat and clean, and have a nice day.